pursuit of progress and prosperity has embarked on a transformative journey fueled by ambitious goals and determination. Blessed with a long coastline and an advantageous location that spans the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean, our nation has the potential to make a substantial contribution to global economic growth. Given that more than 90% of Bharat's trade by volume is conducted via the country's maritime routes, there exists a continuous need to develop Bharat's ports and trade-related infrastructure to accelerate growth in the manufacturing industry and craft the Bharat success story. The Port Modernization Initiative of the nation, along with its port infrastructure, serves as the backbone of the economy. With a coastline stretching approximately 7,517 km and over 30% of the global market share, Bharat hosts the world's largest ship-breaking facility. To further enhance the nation's shipping and port industry, the government has introduced various incentives for enterprises involved in port development, maintenance, inland waterways, and shipbuilding. The Maritime India Vision 2030, launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in March 2021, outlines over 150 initiatives aimed at bolstering the Indian maritime sector. Developed through extensive consultations with 350 public and private stakeholders, including ports, shipyards, trade bodies, and legal experts, this vision serves as a roadmap for accelerated and coordinated development across all aspects of Bharat's maritime domain. Bharat's aim to increase port handling capacity to 300% by 2047 is crucial for its vision of becoming a global manufacturing hub and export leader. Ports on both the western and eastern seaboard are fostering Bharat's rapid economic growth plan. With Bharat businesses targeting $900 billion in exports for the fiscal year 2024, ports play a vital role as gateways for the movement of raw materials, finished products, and other goods. This movement is essential for Bharat's goal of reaching a $5 trillion economy. Investing in expanding port capacity is integral for supporting Bharat's economic aspirations and strengthening its trade infrastructure. During the fiscal year 2023, Bharat experienced a notable growth of 6.9% year-on-year in its merchandise exports, reaching $451 billion. Reports indicate the maritime services sector contributes about 2.1% to the nation's GDP. Employment-wise, the sector plays a significant role by providing direct and indirect jobs to over 14 million people. Prime Minister Modi has emphasized the historical importance of Bharat's maritime capabilities, noting their positive impact on the world. He has also emphasized the transformative potential of the proposed India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, as evidenced by the historic G20 consensus. The corridor has a positive impact on regional connectivity and the economic growth of the nation, building a roadmap to economic brilliance. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the government has prioritized port-led development over the past 10 years as a crucial element for economic growth and the establishment of Atmanirbhar Bharat. This strategy involves expanding port capacities and enhancing the efficiency of existing systems.
बीते 6-7 साल में पोर्ट डेवलपमेंट और पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट को लेकर जो काम हो रहा है उससे देश को नई ताकत मिल रही है। आज हम नदी जलमार्गों का एक बड़ा नेटवर्क तैयार कर रहे हैं जो समुद्र के बड़े पोर्ट्स को देश के लैंडलॉक राज्यों से कनेक्ट कर रहा है। पोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के विकास में जो कानूनी अड़चनें थी उन्हें भी निरंतर दूर किया जा रहा है। सरकार का ध्यान समंदर में ईज ऑफ बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने और मैरीटाइम लॉजिस्टिक्स को सरल बनाने पर भी है। ऐसे दुनिया के सबसे बड़े सिंगल विंडो प्लेटफॉर्म को तैयार करने पर भी काम चल रहा है। साथियों, ऐसे ही अनेक प्रयासों के कारण अब देश के पोर्ट नेटवर्क की कैपेसिटी और कैपेबिलिटी दोनों का विस्तार हो रहा है। 3 दशक के इंतजार के बाद वेस्ट कोस्ट में भारत के पहले डीप ड्राफ्ट ग्रीनफील्ड सी पोर्ट को सैद्धांतिक मंजूरी दी जा चुकी है।
Recognizing the immense potential of the maritime sector, the government envisions it playing a pivotal role in driving Bharat towards self-reliance by 2047. The port-led development programs are aimed at leveraging Bharat's coastline and maritime sector. The program encompasses over 500 projects spanning various sectors, including port modernization, connectivity enhancement, coastal community development, and tourism promotion. Its objectives include job creation, boosting industrial output, and reducing logistics costs, all of which are critical for fostering economic growth and self-sufficiency. The government's forward-thinking initiatives have led to Bharat forging the Maritime India Vision MIV 2030. It stands as a strategic roadmap to the expansion of the maritime sector. Within MIV 2030, the government has initiated more than 150 initiatives spanning diverse maritime subsectors such as ports, shipping, and waterways. These initiatives are geared towards enhancing the overall growth and efficiency of the maritime industry. Embarking on the journey towards Bharat 2050 Roadmap to Economic Brilliance, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited emerges as Bharat's largest private port operator and a comprehensive logistics solutions provider. With 13 strategically positioned ports and terminals under its purview, Apses Limited commands a significant 24% share of the nation's port capacity. This underscores our commitment to ensuring that Adani Ports stands ready and equipped with the requisite scale, scope, and agility to effectively address the essential requirements of the nation. A testament to infrastructural excellence, the mega port situated at Mundra in Gujarat stands as a pivotal economic gateway servicing the northern hinterland of Bharat with its extensive multimodal connectivity. As the largest commercial port in Bharat, it boasts of a deep draft and all-weather capabilities supported by state-of-the-art infrastructure. Notably, Mundra houses the largest coal import terminal, facilitating swifter cargo evacuation and ensuring minimal turnaround time, further solidifying its significance in the maritime landscape. Equipped with deep draft berths and versatile terminals, the port adeptly accommodates the largest bulk carriers globally. Its expansive, covered and open storage areas boast of immense capacity, ensuring efficient cargo handling. The port's exceptional infrastructure for cargo evacuation and receiving facilitates seamless movement of goods in and out of the port. The port expertise in effectively managing oversized and overweight project cargo further enhances its operational capabilities and reliability. Mundra Port has exemplified excellence over its 25-year journey, emerging as the foremost commercial port by volumes handled since 2014. It achieved a significant milestone by becoming the first commercial port in Bharat to handle 100 million tons of cargo and employs 29,000 plus employees. Mundra is also Bharat's largest container port, facilitating the movement of 6.64 million shipping containers during financial year 2023. Approximately 1.6 million of these containers were transshipment containers, constituting a substantial 75% of Bharat's transshipment volumes. Mundra's container volume accounts for an impressive 33% share of all containers handled across Bharat's ports. With 5 container terminals featuring 12 berths, Mundra boasts the capacity to manage around 8 million containers, showcasing its robust infrastructure and operational capabilities. The container shipping segment at Mundra has experienced remarkable growth, witnessing a 15% increase in volume over the past decade. The Mundra port is facilitating trade and economic growth as Bharat advances towards achieving its economic brilliance goals by 2050. In the upcoming segment, the Adani Group's emergence in Mundra has been a transformational force. The ripple effects extend far beyond commerce, touching lives through enhanced employment avenues, educational advancements, and fortified social structures. Mundra and its surrounding villages stand as living testaments to the enduring impact of the Adani Group's commitment to progress and empowerment. Bharat is rapidly growing, and so the demand for infrastructure surged. Marching on this journey, Mundra Port embarked on expansion and enhancement by adding jetties and developing world-class infrastructure. In 2001, the Adani Group entered into a concession agreement with the government of Gujarat to transform Mundra Port into one of the premier international ports in the state. Rail connectivity was established with Mundra Port, seamlessly integrating it into the national railway grid of the country. This marked a pivotal moment, propelling Mundra Port forward on a trajectory of unprecedented growth. Blessed with a natural draft of 15 meters, Mundra Port became capable of accommodating large vessels carrying up to 75,000 metric tons of cargo. This capability set Mundra Port apart from others in Bharat, as it became the sole port capable of berthing such massive ships, solidifying its position as a key player in Bharat's maritime landscape.
कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर डिपार्टमेंट मुंद्रा। जब मैं 93 में अदानी ग्रुप में ज्वाइंट हुआ तब कर्मचारी में 5 से 6 लोग मुंद्रा में थे, उनमें से मैं था। तो मुंद्रा में तब कच्चा रोड था, ज़मीन भी बंजर था, कादव कीचड़ वाली ज़मीन भी था। उसी टाइम में सॉइल टेस्टिंग का और सर्वे का काम चालू किया। 0 पॉइंट से जेटी तक का रोड बना। जब 98 में पहला ऑयल का वाहन आया, उसके बाद में काफ़ी डेवलप हुआ। अदानी ग्रुप का अलग अलग कंपनी का डेवलप हुआ है। इधर ही मुंद्रा में लोगों का जीवन स्तर ऊंचा आया है, एजुकेशन के लिए भी ऊंचा है, लोगों का धंधा रोजगारी के लिए बाहर जाना नहीं पड़ता। 93 में पोर्ट का इधर ही जन्म ही नहीं हुआ था। 93 के बाद में धीरे धीरे चालू हुआ। हमारा गौतम भाई साहब इधर ही आते थे, सर्वे किया, उसके बाद में रोड का डेवलप किया, उसके बाद में एक जेटी डेवलप किया और अभी तो इतना विशाल हो गया है कि डिफरेंट कंपनी है। मुंद्रा का पूरा उसी टाइम और आज देखो को पूरा शकल ही बदल गया है। इधर बाहर के अदर स्टेट के लोग भी काफ़ी लोग आता है, मजदूरी के लिए आते हैं, सर्विस के लिए आते हैं। अदानी ग्रुप का जो ग्रोथ हुआ इससे इंडिया का इकोनॉमी भी बढ़ा है और पूरा वर्ल्ड में भी कंपनी का नाम फर्स्ट आया है। अभी तो मुंद्रा का इतना विकास हुआ है कि पहले जो ज़मीन का रेट भी नहीं था, अभी तो लाख करोड़ों में रेट हो गया है। इधर पहले लोग बाहर थे, अभी बाहर जो लोग धंधा करते हैं वो लोग मुंद्रा में धंधा रोजगारी के लिए आते हैं। इधर का जो लोकल लोग होते हैं, जो पढ़ाई एजुकेशन भी हमारा CSR से अच्छा वो है।
Mundra's strategic advantage lies in its location, enabling it to effectively serve the western, central, and landlocked northern hinterland of the country, which encompasses key cargo generating areas such as the National Capital Region, Delhi, Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. This strategic positioning facilitates the efficient transportation of goods to and from these regions. Furthermore, Mundra Port is intricately linked to vital infrastructure projects such as the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor and the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. These connections enhance Mundra's connectivity and accessibility, strengthening its role as a crucial hub for trade and commerce in the region. By leveraging its strategic location and infrastructure linkages, Mundra Port plays a pivotal role in facilitating economic growth and development across multiple regions of Bharat. Mundra, once a modest village just a quarter century ago, has now evolved into the site of Bharat's largest private port. From its humble beginnings at a modest jetty, Mundra Port now proudly hosts the largest container vessel ever to grace Bharat's shores. As a cornerstone of Bharat's remarkable journey of development and progress, Mundra Port stands as a vital contributor to the nation's maritime and industrial landscape. Moreover, alongside the growth of industries, Mundra has witnessed profound development catalyzed by the Adani Foundation's initiatives such as Suposhan, Udan, and Saksham. These initiatives exemplify the Foundation's commitment to the holistic development of local communities, fostering progress and prosperity hand in hand with industrial growth. The Foundation played a pivotal role in developing small towns and villages nearby, constructing schools and medical dispensaries, providing ambulances, supporting local arts and crafts, sponsoring students for higher studies, and offering scholarships to those excelling in education. This concerted effort has yielded numerous positive outcomes for the local community. The Adani Group's presence has become a cornerstone of economic growth in the area. Thousands of locals now have access to both direct and indirect employment opportunities within various Adani entities. These opportunities span diverse sectors including port operations, power generation, solar energy initiatives, and Wilmar, offering a wide range of career paths and prospects. As a result, many individuals and families in the region have seen improvements in their livelihoods, providing opportunities for financial stability and personal advancement. The remarkable evolution of Mundra from a small village to Bharat's largest private port symbolizes the nation's journey of progress and development. Mundra Port's advanced infrastructure has propelled it to the forefront of Bharat's maritime industry, facilitating trade and economic growth across the nation. Through initiatives and port-led development programs, Bharat is laying the foundation for a robust and self-reliant maritime sector crucial for achieving its economic goals by 2050. The Adani Group's contributions to Mundra's social and economic development underscore the importance of public-private partnerships in driving inclusive growth. As we celebrate Mundra's success story, we are reminded of Bharat's boundless potential and unwavering commitment to a stronger future. Witness this unstoppable journey of Atmanirbharta, Bharat 2050, Roadmap to Economic Brilliance, a continuous endeavor towards a stronger, boundless and more prosperous nation. A Bharat with no bounds.